Here we would be taking the multiplication of those numbers which are having the different base. Now coming to the logic of different base, what do you mean by different base? When we talked about 101 into 105, suppose, here both the numbers are close to 100. Second example is 99 into 98. Here both the numbers are close to 100. The difference between either of the cases is that here both the number of excess and here both the numbers are deficient. Taking the next case, we also have worked out for 99 into suppose 108. Both the cases, here the base value is 100 and one number is deficient and another number is excess. So for these particular examples, the base value had been same. Now here we would be taking up those particular cases where the base value is different. Suppose looking up into the first example, here the base is 100, here it is 10. Here it is 100, here it is 10. Here it is 1000, here it is 100. Here it is 10,000 and 1000. And 1000 and here it is 100. So for all these particular examples we have considered over here, the base is different. Now let's start with the first example, that is 121 into 14. Right? We have 121 and 14. The base value over here is 100 because this number is nearest to 100 and this value is nearest to 10. Now comparing the values, this is 21x's and this is 4x's. Now we have the LHS part and the RHS part. Now talking about the RHS will be retaining the minimum value of the bases. So here it has a single zero and here it has two zeros. So here in the RHS we need to retain only a single place, only one place. Let's first solve for the RHS part. We have 21 into 4, so that is 84. 84 because we have only a single place, we need to write 4 over here and 8 will be the overflow value. For the LHS part, we have 121 is excess of 21 and 14 is excess of 4. Now taking the ratio of both the values, the ratio will be 10. So simply write a small 0 over here. This 0 will be considered when we are going for the computation for the LHS only, but not for the RHS. Now taking the LHS value, we have 121 plus 40, so that is 161, or 140 plus 21, that is 161. So we have 161. Now the excess value we had was 8. Okay, now we need to add this value to the LHS and the answer will come out to be 1694. Right? So we have the answer 1694, and if we go solving the same question with the traditional approach, we had 121 into 14, so that was 484 and 121. So that was 1694. Obviously the answer will come out the same, but see how lengthy it was. And still when we go for the bigger values, it is obviously going to be very tedious. Taking the next example, we have 104 into 19. 104 and 19. Base value over here is 100 and base value over here is 10. So this is 4x's and this is 9x's. Next we have the LHS and the RHS part. Now identifying the number of places in the RHS part, RHS will be the smallest of these two values. Smallest is 10. 10 means only a single place has to be retained in the RHS part. So first solving the RHS part, we have 9 into 4 and 9 4s are 36. 36 means 3 will be overflow and this will be considered in the LHS portion. Now as we have seen, Here the base value is 100 and here the base value is 10. Simply append a small 0. For LHS, the calculation will be 104 plus 90. So that is 194, or 190 plus 4, that is 194. So we have 194 for the LHS part. Now the excess we have got from the RHS was 3. We add over here, we have 1, 9, 4 plus 3 is 7 and 6. So the answer is 1976. Taking the next example, next is 1126 into 115. So 1126 has the base value of 1000 and 115 has the base value of 100. Now this value is 126 excess of 1000 and this value is 15 excess of 100. Now the LHS portion and the RHS portion. Before going ahead, we'll make out the ratio. The ratio is 10. Add over here. This value will be considered only for getting the values for the LHS but not for RHS. So first solve for the LHS. We have 1126 plus 150. So that will be 1276, or 1150 plus 126. So that is again coming to be the same, 1276. So the LHS is 1276. Talking about the RHS. RHS will have how many places? 2 places. Because the smaller base has 2 zeros. Next, calculating the value of RHS. RHS will be 126 into 15. As I told you, the 0 which we have appended over here will be considered only for the LHS but not for RHS. So we have 126 into 15. We have the value of 1890. Now out of 1890, 2 places have to be left for the RHS. So here we need to write as 90 and the overflow value would be 18. So the answer will be 129490. So this is the answer, 129490. And if we go by the traditional method, so we had 1126 into 115, so that was 30 and 13 and 6, and this 6211, 6211, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 9 and 2 and 3. The answer is perfectly right. We have 129490. See how much lengthy it is, and comparatively using the approach we have discussed, it is comparatively easier. Let's take the next example, 11031 into 1102. 11031, here the base value will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. And we have 1102, here the base value will be 1000. Now comparing the values, both are excess. The first is 1031 excess of 10,000 and this value is 102 excess of 1000. We have the RHS and the LHS. Taking the ratio, 3 zeros gone, 1, 2, 3, the ratio will be 0, 10. We append a small 0. For the LHS, we have 11031 plus 1020. Diagonal addition, 12051, or 11020 and 1031. So that is 12051. So we have the LHS as 12051. See, like as we discussed in the traditional method, the multiplication has always to be done from right to left. But as you can see here, I am doing with the left to right. So this is what is the beauty of Vedic maths. Here it is not mandated that you always need to proceed from right to left. It is up to you from which part or from which direction you need to make the calculations. Next, for the RHS. RHS will be 1031 into 102. So 1031 into 102. 105162. Now identifying the number of places which has to be retained in the RHS. RHS need to maintain 3 places. 1, 2, 3. For 3 places we need to keep 162. The excess or the overflow value is 105. So 105 has to be added to the LHS part and the answer will come out to be 65121. So the overall answer is 121,56,162. 12156162. Obviously by using the traditional it is going to be very lengthy. Now let's take the last example. So we have 1115 into 115. 1115 and 115. Here the base value is 1000 and here value is 115 more and this value is 15 more. Number of places in the RHS will be 2. We have the LHS and the RHS. Okay, ratio will be 10. Append a small 0, append a small 0. For LHS we have 1115 plus 150. So that is 1265 or 1150 plus 115. So that is 1265. So we have either of the combination 1265. Now coming to the RHS. RHS will be 150 into 15. Now we get 1725. How many places we have for the RHS? We have 2 places. 2 places means 25. What will be the overflow? Overflow will be 17. The overflow we get from RHS will be 17. Here the RHS will be the same as 25. This overflow from the RHS will be accommodated into LHS. So this will be 1282. So the answer is 128225. So this is the answer 128225. So as we have taken in this particular discussion, the values will be having different base. Still with the help of this particular logic we would be able to solve it out. Thanks a lot.